As protesters begin to arrive at Big Spring Park, some local attorneys are offering them legal protection tonight.
WAAY 31's Ashley Carter joins us live now after speaking with one of those attorneys who's extending his free consulting services to peaceful protesters if they get arrested. Ashley?
Dan, the NAACP is of course hoping things remain peaceful tonight, and local attorneys I spoke with are hoping the same thing. But attorneys told me that if protesters do get arrested while protesting tonight, they are ready to help legally protect them.
We're really the first line of defense against those who would violate our constitutional rights.
Russell Crumbly is an attorney at Crumbly, Blackwell & Associates in Southwest Huntsville. His law firm is providing free consultations to protesters if they get arrested while peacefully protesting. He says it's important everyone knows their rights.
Right in the Constitution, they made this number one. And they made it number one because our rights to exercise our speech and share our thoughts are not and should not be dependent upon everybody's agreeing with what they have to say.
He says even though people have the legal right to protest, there are still limits and rules.
The right to protest doesn't give you the right to go into another property, for example. Doesn't give you the right to go onto property that you don't have the right to go on. Doesn't give you the right to throw rocks, doesn't give you the right to throw punches, doesn't give you the right to steal property or destroy property.
He says legally protesters must listen to officers if they are told not to cross certain barriers, and they should not bring any weapons to the protest. He says even following all the rules can still get someone in trouble.
Even if you don't do anything wrong, and if you get arrested because you were beside the wrong person, your life just became disrupted.
He says there are ways to try to legally protect yourself.
Take at least one other person and have your phones charged so that you can video if necessary. And video the whole event that is important. Because I can tell you as a defense lawyer, we're always looking for, well, what did we not see? But you could, the camera in your cell phone may be your absolute best friend there, but you can't video everything. You got 2 or 3 friends with you, you probably can get everything videoed.
I asked Crumbly if they will be offering more legal services to protesters, and he said that it's a conversation that they'll have if a whole bunch of protesters are arrested. The Cochran law firm here in downtown Huntsville is offering free legal services to protesters who are arrested. Live in Huntsville, Ashley Carter, WAAY 31 News.
Thanks, Ashley. Now to the latest in George Floyd's case.